Nashik, which was known as Mantra Bhumi, is now recognized as a major knowledge hub of the state. Nashik has a tradition of talented scholars and top rankers. We are glad to contribute to this city as a major academic institution providing quality coaching to this Bhumi. Yes, we are Smart Education. Today, Smart Education is considered as the only choice of parents and students in Nashik and surroundings. Though Smart Education is specialized in preparing students for IIT, medical and all competitive exams, it is not the only objective of Smart. And yes, our goal is SMART, which means that our goal should be specific, measurable, ambitious, achievable, realistic, and yes, time-bound. That's exactly what we are. We believe in best results, and our goal is to give highest number of toppers from Nashik for IIT medical and major competitive exams. The mission of Smart Education is not monetary benefit, but to provide pool of talented scholars to the nation. At Smart Education, we also run pre-foundation batches starting from Standard 7th. Smart believes in overall development of students. Mr. Pramod Patil is Director of Smart Education. He is a senior educator in Nashik. He has numerous success stories to his credit. Born and brought up in Nashik, he knows the exact requirement of the students in this region. Smart Education caters the need of all types of students, from average students to brilliants. We take them all to the next level. Smart Education is a right place for such students who wish to avail all benefits of IIT coaching centers at moderate fees, and that too at place of residence.
What is S-Class?
Along with the excellent teaching faculty at Smart, the supporting staff is also great. They also helped me with my doubts. They helped me collect the documents I needed for my admission in the US. So thank you, Smart.
Hello, I am Zainik. I am thankful to Pramod Patil sir for providing quality education at Smart Education Nashik. I am grateful to all the teachers for their guidance along the path of success.
Hello, I am Srinivas Kulkarni and I am very much grateful to Pramod Patil sir, because of whom I got opportunity to study under the guidance of such teachers who have led me to the success that I have achieved right now. Thank you so much.
JEE आणि KPIची प्रिपरेशनसाठी माझे क्लासेसची शोध चालली होती. शेवटी ही शोध माझी स्मार्ट या क्लासवर संपली. स्मार्ट हाच असा क्लास आहे ज्याने मला सॅटिस्फॅक्शन इथं सगळं प्रोव्हाइड केलं.
I am satisfied with Smart Education.
After my 10th, I was searching for a class for my JEE preparation. With Smart, I feel that my career is in safe hands.
Smart Education has been a perfect guidance for me for my JEE preparation.
Unlike any coaching center with academic excellence, Smart Education runs with high academic standards, consistent working philosophy, periodic weekly, monthly and quarterly examination system, quick result communication system, personalized monitoring of students' class attendance, advanced academic planning and personalized counseling guidance. Specialities of Smart Educations are weekly teaching learning plan, student-centric academic planning, separate teacher for state board, separate IITians for doubt clearing, chapter-wise notes to all students, system to communicate of results, subject-wise 2-year teaching learning and test exams, scholarship program for deserving students based on marks of Smart Scholarship Admission Test (SAT). We take every care that no deserving students is left behind due to financial issues. We at Smart Education provide own study material, planning for saving time in lab work for students of our college, provide personal care guidance or counseling as per needs, development of mind power, guidance on art of paper solving,
स्मार्ट क्लासेसबद्दलचा माझा अनुभव अतिशय उत्तम आहे. माझ्या मुलीला कस्तुरीला इथे स्पेशली खूप पर्सनल अटेन्शन पण खूप दिलं गेलं आणि तिचे कुठले पण डाऊट्स होते ते 1 to 1 बसून सॉल्विंगवर पाटील सरांचा जास्त भर होता. त्याच्यामुळे क्वेरीज वेळच्या वेळी क्लिअर होत गेल्या आणि त्याचा मला निश्चितच तिच्या मार्क्समध्ये तिच्या यशात आम्हाला खूपच फायदा झाला.
स्मार्ट एज्युकेशनमध्ये येण्याचं मुख्य कारण म्हणजे प्रमोद पाटील सर. प्रमोद पाटील सर म्हणजे इथे आल्यानंतर आम्ही बघितलं प्रमोद पाटील सरांचं प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्याकडे एकदम बारीक लक्ष असतं. त्याचा प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्याला तो फायदा मिळतो आणि हे गुण बघूनच आम्ही स्मार्ट एज्युकेशनमध्ये ॲडमिशन घेतलं.
रजत राठीच्या मम्मीकडे मी गेल्यानंतर मला हे समजलं की ते म्हटले की प्रमोद पाटील सर जे बोलतात ते सगळ्या गोष्टी सत्य होतात. त्यांनी सांगितलं की त्यांच्या जिभेवर त्यांच्या वाणीतच सरस्वती आहे म्हणून ते जे बोलले त्या गोष्टी खरोखर सगळ्या गोष्टी सत्य झाल्या. त्यांनी सांगितलं होतं की रजतची 37 रँक येणार, ती बरोबर 37 रँक आली. म्हणून मला असं वाटतं की ज्या ठिकाणी प्रमोद पाटील सर आहेत त्या ठिकाणी आपण क्लास जॉईन करावा.
माझ्या मुलाला स्मार्ट एज्युकेशनमध्ये खूप छान मार्गदर्शन मिळाले. त्यामुळे प्रमोद पाटील सर आणि त्यांच्या पूर्ण टीमची मी आभारी आहे.
Look at the infrastructure and facilities in the class. This provides the best learning environment and yes, very much in the center of the city. With cool and calm ambience, Smart Education is the only institute in the town to provide such state-of-the-art facility for a coaching class. So if you're searching for good coaching classes, Smart Education is the best choice. Please contact us at 3rd floor Siddhi Puja Residency behind Hotel Vihar, Old Gangapur Naka, Gangapur Road, Nasik.